Well, I've come up with an idea for my next sculpture. It's going to be a 24-inch tall figure. I'll talk more about that when I start the figure next week. Hopefully next week. I've just ordered a 24-inch true form armature from Sculpture Depot in Loveland, Colorado. They've sold quite a few over the Christmas holidays, so they're putting them together, and they'll send it out, he said, next week. I just don't know what day I'll get it, so I'll start the figure as soon as I get the true form armature. This will give me time to do some research for what I'm thinking of doing. But I just wanted to give you guys an update to let you know that I finally have come up with a subject that I want to do. Now I've just got to put together all the reference that I'm going to have to do it. So I'll fill you in more next week when I get started on this figure. And I hope you have a good weekend. I'll see you hopefully next week. Good night, everybody.